I believe that's a tornado right there. I'm just a couple of 100 yards away from it, and it's starting to lift up off the ground. It was all the way to the ground and swirling around, and it's kind of busted itself up. But that is crazy. We just got out of this really nasty storm. And boy, even as I'm filming, I can see it falling apart. But when I couldn't get the camera going quick enough. And it was just swirling a big mess. There's still parts of it extending all the way to the ground. We're right on the leading edge of the storm. I guess this is the front edge. I drove through the back end of it. But all the lightning and stuff was more down on this end of it. It's not even raining right here where I stand. Might be trying to reform. But it's pretty much open sky up ahead towards Alvin. It's really dark back behind where I came from. So I don't know if it touched down, did some damage, and then quit, or if it was just forming, because I was in the darkness of the rain, and as soon as I came out of the darkness was this big swirling brownish cloud up there. You still kind of see it where it's kind of brownish looking.